What's going on, Unbox Nation? Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing Annke 8-channel security camera system. We will talk about its specifications, design, features, and also show you many cool things about this product, so keep watching until the end. If you're new to our channel or not, please subscribe. Hit the bell button. This will help us tell whether or not our video was helpful to you guys and that all of our hard work of making these videos for you guys didn't go to waste. Also, please don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. Once you get rid of a large Annke box, you'll have 2 or 3 other boxes depending on the model of the security camera system you order. In my case, I got 8 cameras, CCTV setup, therefore there's 3 boxes. In one of the boxes you'll have your Annke DVR or digital video recorder, which in our case is SSYTEM series. So let's start with unboxing of SSYTEM Annke DVR. The content of this box will be SSYTEM digital video recorder, Annke manual, Annke Ethernet cable, mouse, Annke HDMI cable, and 12-volt power adapter. In brown box, you'll find Annke night vision cameras, screws for cameras, camera's power supply, Annke 4/6 feet BNC cable, and Annke 1-4 splitter cable. First, we will start with specifications of C500 5-megapixel security camera. Annke CCTV cameras have video resolution of 5 megapixel, 2560 by 1920 at 15 frames per second. Annke's signal system is PAL NTSC with video compression rate of H.265/H.264. Annke security cameras have video bit rate of 32 kilobytes per second and up to 8 megabytes per second, and a 2.8 millimeter lens. The security cameras also have an angle of view of 100 degrees horizontally, 74 degrees vertically, and 130 degrees diagonally. These home security cameras have 2-piece IR LEDs and a night vision distance of up to 100 feet or 30 meters, with digital wide dynamic range. The CCTV camera's operating temperature is between -22 degrees and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, or -30 degrees and 60 degrees Celsius. They are capable of working indoor as well as outdoor and have weatherproof rating IP67. These specific cameras are bullet cameras and their dimensions is 6.8 inches in length, 2.6 inches in width, and 2 inches in height, with weight of approximately 450 grams. Now let's move on to solder digital recorder specifications. This DVR has video compression rate of H.264 plus or H.264 or H.265 and also H.265 plus, with video input of up to 16 channels. In my particular case, it's an Annke 8-channel security camera system. Annke DVR has HDMI and VGA 1080p video output, audio input and output of 1x1 RCA. Analog HD recording resolution allows Annke DVR for 5 megapixel stream access, for 1080p stream access, and for 720p stream access. Also, analog HD playback resolution of 5 megapixels, 3 megapixels, 1080p, 720p, VGA, WD1 for CIF and CIF. IPC recording resolution up to 6 megapixels. Annke DVR has IPS playback resolution up to 6 megapixels and max playback channel up to 16 channels. You can choose HDD capacity up to 6 terabyte. The one in my hands has 2 terabytes. It also has 2 USB 2.0. And the working temperatures are between negative 14 degrees to 131 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 10 degrees up to 55 degrees Celsius. Its dimensions are 10 inches in width, 8.5 inches in length, and 1.7 inches in height. And it weighs, without hard disk, 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds. What can we say about the design of Annke 8-channel security cameras? They're called bullet cameras for a reason, because they look just like bullets except larger. Annke security cameras are made of metal and white plastic. Their weight is 450 grams and they are quite small for a CCTV cameras, which is great for when you need to conceal them. They are also night vision cameras and IP67 rated, meaning they are weatherproof and you can install them both on the inside and outside of your property. The design of Annke DVR reminds me exactly of the design of a DVD player or gaming console, like an Xbox or PlayStation. However, DVR setup is smaller, and if you're concerned that it will take away too much space wherever you are trying to place it, then you shouldn't be. Both cameras and DVR have some awesome features. C500 5-megapixel security camera uses the OmniVision image sensor. It is also plug-and-play PoE, Power of Ethernet system. A simple PoE connection makes it easier to set up and install your home security camera system, with one single network cable needed for transmitting video signal and powering the camera simultaneously, which could be great for not so handy people and pretty simple to install. The Annke security camera uses H.265 video compression rate, like I said before, which not only reduces bandwidth but also decreases storage requirements, ensuring stable and fast transmission as well as providing smooth real-time viewing. The cameras have long-range infrared night vision. With smart infrared LEDs, the camera can automatically switch to deliver clear black and white pictures in the nighttime. Night vision covers up to 100 feet or 30 meters, which helps you guard your home or business 24/7. With the advanced 3D DNR, three-dimensional digital noise reduction technology, the image noise is significantly eliminated even at night. And you can also customize motion detection. Mark out the relevant areas for motion detection, focus on what you care the most, and minimize false and unnecessary alerts. You will receive real-time email alerts with snapshots and app pushes of suspicious events immediately when alert is triggered. Annke DVR solder uses H.265 plus video compression rate like we mentioned before as well in its specifications. This means that this technology enables you to record up to 7 times longer than H.264 with the same hard drive. This way you can save a large amount of storage and fit more video surveillance while enjoying much clearer and smoother video. Annke DVR has P2P remote access and instant alerts, meaning this whole surveillance system can be accessed and controlled remotely on your smartphone, tablet, or PC. Once motion detection is triggered, you can receive instant email alerts with snapshots and alarm pushes wherever you are. Annke also has Smart Search Playback function. The Smart Playback feature fast forwards the still images and offers you the video with movements in your selected area. Thus, you don't have to waste time on checking footage frame by frame. Now, let me show you guys how to connect your cameras to the DVR system. So all you have to do is take your camera and your BNC cable, then connect the video cable to the TVI cable of the camera, just like that, and insert the power cable into DC 12 in cable on the camera, and then take your 4-to-1 splitter, insert one of them into the power cable, and then take your video cable and connect it to the DVR, same way you did on your camera. Now you simply have the connection of the camera. All you have to do is follow the same order for all of your included cameras, and your security system should be good to go. Thank you very much for watching my video about Annke security system, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. Subscribe and don't forget to smash the bell button to be notified for future awesome helpful content. And remember, guys, it does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. So never give up and keep pushing forward.